Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to do something really exciting. We're going to be making a new drink, and this drink will be on the menu when we open again, hopefully next month. But yeah, when we do open, it will be on the menu. We are going to be making a frozen fruit cider daiquiri. So you can use any fruit cider you want, with any frozen fruit you want, make it your own. So first thing, anything daiquiri is lime and rum. So you want to get a full lime. We're making 2 drinks here. If you're just making 1 drink, then I'd suggest just using a 330ml can or bottle of fruit cider. We're going to be using a full pint bottle. First, you want to squeeze a full lime into your blender. If you're making 1 drink, then half a lime. Pour your lime juice into the blender. Then you want to add your frozen fruit. It is optional, you probably could do it without, but the fruit, it adds a bit of texture to the drink, it makes it less runny, it gives it a lot of flavour as well, so I'd suggest adding your frozen fruit. I did make a mango one yesterday, but today we're going to be making a strawberry and lime one. So I'm adding about 250 grams of strawberries. I froze these myself from a fresh batch. If you're going to freeze your own, I'd suggest taking the ends off beforehand, because it'd be a bit of a pain to take them off once they're frozen. Also, you don't need to use frozen fruit, you could use fresh fruit, but I think the frozen one, it helps the drink freeze. You can use less ice, because the more ice you use, the more diluted your drink's going to be. Then you want to add 2 shots of your white rum. As always, I'm going to be using my favourite, Old J Silver. Just a quick one, if you are making just 1 drink and you're using a can, drop that to 1 shot of lime. Then you want to add your full bottle or can of fruit cider. I'm using a strawberry and lime record lid. Again, try and make sure your cider comes out of the fridge, or even put it in the freezer for 30 minutes to really cool it down. This way you're using less ice, you're not diluting the drink as much, because the last thing you want to do is fill your blender to the top with ice, because you're just not going to have any alcohol in there at all. Then you want to add about a pint of ice. If you're using fresh fruit, probably even more ice. Then you want to hit blend for about 20-30 seconds. One thing I forgot to say is sugar syrup is optional. I'm going to add it in. The sugar helps it freeze as well. Like I said in my previous videos, frozen drinks, you always need to experiment. It's a good consistency, but I like it slushier, so I'm going to add a bit more ice. You'll probably notice the drink's gone even redder. I just wanted to make it look good for the video. I've added a bit of Grenadine. If you've got Grenadine, add Grenadine in. It'll add flavour. You can use it as a substitute for your sugar syrup. Finally, garnishing is optional. I've got 2 strawberries. And then we have our strawberry and lime fruit cider daiquiris. Oh wow. I think this is my favourite drink so far. Oh my word. Here's another variation of the drink that I made. For this drink I used a passion fruit record lig, and I used frozen mango, and everything else was the same. Old J Silver, squeeze of lime, sugar syrup.